Hi, investing in innovation is no longer an option, it is necessity. How to use innovative educational methods and technologies, artificial intelligence, to match training and development activities to an organization's business goals. Our electronic guidebook addresses how innovative educational methods and technologies can implement repetitive, standard, routine work in organization and make learning process more effective. Using artificial intelligence, one can track and analyze learning analytics. This technology provides better learning results, makes learning and training completely synchronized with organizational performance, constantly increases the value of training and development for the business. Apart from providing quality to learning, artificial intelligence is a very valuable solution for training and development in business, which gives it an unprecedented dynamics. For example, organizations that want their content to be constantly updated can do it through an adaptive learning environment that is formed by artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence predicts how to improve learning or training content by processing more data over time. These adaptive solutions also allow to have complete personalization of learning, where artificial intelligence solution collects individual information and data on each learner in the learning process, which then are updated and improved based on the learner's learning results and behavior. Artificial intelligence enables training programs to be aligned with organization strategy and to achieve set business goals. If you want to know more about mentioned and related issues, contact us today.